Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will discover the proper pronunciation of the word accenting. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. She did a great job accenting her outfit with a bold statement necklace. Accenting refers to highlighting or emphasizing a specific element, feature, or aspect to draw attention to it and enhance its overall appearance or impact. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.